Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw an isometric projection of a cube of side 50 mm. This is for CBSE student. So first we will draw isometric scale. So we need to draw 30 degree and 45 degree, and then we'll mark 50 mm. So on that 45 degree we'll mark 50. After that we'll draw a vertical line. So we'll get the isometric length. Now I'm writing 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 10. So the lower one is the isometric scale, the upper one is normal scale. So we will be using the lower one, the one which is there on 30. See this distance. Now in this case there is no need to draw a helping figure because it's just a cube. Still, if you want to draw, you can draw, because all sides will be 50, 50, 50. So take that distance and you cut and you draw box. So in this case this box is only cube. So we are done with this cube. Now we need to draw axis. We'll take half of this, or we can draw helping figure. So I'm taking half of that, 25. I'm projecting that line down. See, I have marked 0 to 10, and in between I have marked 5. This is 1 millimeter each, and you draw a vertical line. So whatever you get on that 30 degree line, 25. So you take 25 and you cut here. And again you cut 25. So it will come at the center only. So from that point you draw axis. How much it will go down? It will go down 50. So this is O, this is M, and this is X. So we are done with this sum. We can do dimensioning and direction of viewing, as well as we have to write isometric projection. Remember, this 50 what I am marking is not original, it is isometric length. We are drawing isometric projection. from here observer is watching, that is direction of viewing. We can write O, and 30 degree we need to mention. And we need to write isometric projection. So I hope you people have understood this sum. Thank you.